Hey, it's Larry here. We're back on our channel, and today we're going to be doing a hardwire into my BMW i3. We're going to be hardwiring this particular radar, the Escort 360 Max, into my i3 here. So with that being said, let's get to it. I had performed some preliminary disassemble. First, I disassembled the plastic piece here between the mirror and the rain sensors. In here, there are a couple modules, but there's a particular module here that houses a ground wire, which we're going to be able to use as a ground wire for the to power up the radar. Then if you scoot back here, I also removed the dome light. Because the dome light area where there's a green wire here, if you can see it, it's a little bit darker shade green. That's where we're going to be tapping in for power. And together it should cycle, and the radar unit should come on with the car and go off with the car. Now, with that being said, when it goes off, it does have a slight lag where there's like a 10-minute lag before it will shut down. So let me go at it. I'm gonna hook up the wires and I'm gonna come back on. Okay, so everything's done now. What I did have to do was in here, you have to tap the brown wire, and then over here you tap the green wire. It was a little bit different. It's instructed, maybe change the model years or whatever. But at the end of the day, it's hardwired now, and when the power of the car goes off, within 3 minutes, the radar will also go off. So it took a little bit longer than I thought, but everything's good now. So until the next project. Peace.